Okay, so this one is simply just adding adding two integers. Sorry, I skipped my words there. So adding two integers. So they're showing you a very basic method down here that I do like. So it's 2 plus -6. So they're having two circles with plus signs or chips and 6 chips with negative signs. And then they do on the next step here is they cancel them out. So positive and negative, they cancel each other out. One positive, one negative is 0. So I can match them up. So if I have two positives and two negatives here, that's why they block them out. And what they have left is the answer. So they have -4 here. So it's just the basic idea of them blocking out. So this one, it was -2 and -2. So -2 plus -2. So this time I have two negative chips and two more negative chips. Well, nothing cancels out. There's no positive and negative. They're all the same negative chip. So what do I have left? I have all of them left. I have -4. So it's just kind of a visual, quick way to learn how to do this topic. So let's go ahead and click start. All right. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to erase this problem. Sorry, forgot to erase that problem. All right. And I'm going to choose my color here. I'll go blue on this one. All right. So if we have -5, it's going to be negative, 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 negative. All right. And then we have -5 again because this is -5 plus -5. So I have negative, 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 negative. All right, so nothing cancels because they're all negatives. So all I do is count them. Since I have 10 chips that all have a negative sign in them, my answer is -10. I apologize if you can hear my cat meowing in the background. All right, so this one we have -6. Let me put negative, negative. Try to circle these neatly afterward here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, perfect. And then I'm kind of doing this a little silly. I should have done red for negative, but it's perfectly fine. All right, so I have +4 because it was -6 plus 4. So now I have plus, 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 plus. You don't really have to change colors. I'm just trying to show you. It's very easy to see if they're different colors. That means that the green for me were positive, the blue for me were negative. And I'm just going to simply cross them out like this. So I can cross one negative out to one positive. And then what's left over? 2, and they're both negative chips left over, so my answer is -2. All right, check. Yay! And I'm going to hit next. All right. So I'm going to erase this really quick. Whoop. Okay. All right, so I do start with 4 positive. So this is 4 plus -4. So that first 4 is positive. Yes. And you don't even necessarily need to circle them if you don't want to. I'm just circling them because that's how they showed them on that first page. But you could very well just leave them as positives and negatives. It would work just fine that way. So I know I have 4 negatives like this. There are all my chips. And I'm going to just cross them out. Positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative, positive to negative. And I crossed out everything. I'm not left with anything, which means that my answer is 0. All right, this next one, they're both negative again. It's -3. Minus, sorry, plus -2. So I go like this. Nothing, they're all the same color again, because remember, I'm making mine different colors. So since they're all the same color, nothing crosses out. So I just look at all the chips that I have. I have 5 chips and they're all negative, so I'm going to write -5. If they were all positive, I would simply just write 5. You wouldn't have to write the positive with it. Yay! We're all done on that one too. Next.